Hello children, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see class 4 science unit 2 water part 2 continuation. Let us do. See the given pictures and write down the state of each object: solid, liquid, gas. Okay, we are going to name the pictures. So first picture, bucket of water. So it is in liquid form. So write liquid in the dash. Second picture, ice cube. So it is in solid form. So write solid. Third one, it is a balloon. The balloon is filled with gas. So the answer is gas. Third one, it is a boiling liquid. So liquid. Third one, it is smoke from industry. Smoke is a form of gas. Next, a truck. Truck is a solid object. So write solid. Next, can of water or oil. So it is in liquid form. Third one, it is a chair. It is made of wood. So it is a solid. Glass of juice, it is in liquid form. Next, dress, it is in solid form. The answers are provided. So first one liquid, second one solid, third one gas, fourth one gas, fifth one gas, sixth one solid, seventh one liquid, eighth one solid, ninth one liquid, 10th one solid. Let us do. Fill in the boxes given below with correct answers: liquid, solid, melting, freezing, cooling, eating, gas. So the first container has ice. So ice is in solid form. Second beaker has liquid. So water, that is in liquid form. Third one, the water is boiling. So it is in gaseous form. When we melt ice, we will get liquid. So the first process is melting. When liquid changes to gas, it is heating. So liquid on heating become gas. When we freeze the liquid, it will change to ice. So it is freezing. When we cool the gas, we will get liquid. So fill the appropriate boxes correctly as shown in the image. Then try to answer. Why water is a good example for all states of matter? Second one, which of the following is in liquid state? Rain, ice or snow? So first one, why water is a good example for all states of matter? Water has three states. The solid state of water is ice, the liquid state of water is water itself, and gaseous state of water is water vapor. Second question, which of the following is in liquid state? Rain, ice, snow. So rain is the correct option. Rain is in liquid state. Write any two water bodies in your area. So we have to list out the water bodies around our house. So what are they? Ponds, lakes. Okay, if you have rivers or streams around your area, you can write them too. So here I have mentioned ponds and lakes. Ponds, ponds, lakes, lakes, lakes. Okay, let us do. Fill water in a ice tray and keep it in a freezer. After few hours, take it out, and what happened to the water. Okay, if we fill water and keep it in a fridge, what will happen to the water in them? It will become solid, that is, it will become ice. This is what happen when you freeze the water. Okay, now keep this ice tray on a table for some time. What happens to the ice? Okay, now you keeping the tray on a table, okay, as it is. Leave it for 10 minutes, then you will see only liquid. Okay, there will be no any more ice in the tray, so the water melts. Pour water from the ice tray into a kettle. Kettle means it will heat the water. Ask an elder at your home to heat the kettle and observe the mouth of the kettle. When the water starts boiling, what do you see? So pour water into the kettle. When we heat the water, the vapors will come out of the water. So when we heat more, there will be no water in the kettle. So that means the water changed into gas. So water when freezing becomes ice. When liquid is heated, it will become gas, and when gas is cold, again it will become liquid. So this is what is explained in this one. Let's see next one. Try to answer. Choose the correct answer. In the water cycle dash. Okay, A, only evaporation is involved. B, only condensation is involved. C, evaporation and condensation are involved. The answer is option C, evaporation and condensation are involved. Try to answer. First one, unscramble the words and fill in the blanks. So the words are interchanged. We have to form the correct word. Okay. First one is condensation. So condensation. Condensation. Next one, evaporation. 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 precipitation. Precipitation. Second one is water cycle important for farming. So the answer is yes. Third one, why is water cycle important to human? Okay, to improve the availability of groundwater. Fourth one, name the process which is responsible for the formation of droplets on the surface of a glass of cold drink. Precipitation. Precipitation. Try to answer. First one, list out some other benefits of rainwater harvesting. So first one, reduces pollution. Second one, saves water. Third one, helps animals and plants. Fourth one, helps in gardening. Second one, suggest some ideas to save rainwater in your school. So collect rainwater. First one, put big tanks on the roof to collect rainwater. Second, connect pipes to the tanks to store the water. Use the rainwater. First one, use the collected water for plants and gardens. Second one, flush toilets with rainwater. Third one, clean the school with rainwater. Let us discuss with your friends. Rainwater harvesting has an important role to protect our environment. So let's give some points for rainwater harvesting. First, it reduces flooding and erosion. 2. Saves groundwater for future use. Third one, keeps our waterways clean. Fourth one, helps plants and crops grow naturally. Fifth one, makes cities cooler and more livable. Sixth, protect animals and their homes. 7. Helps us prepare for natural disasters. Okay, let us do tips to construct a rainwater harvesting pit at school or home. Construct a pit of any shape or size. So according to the water receiving, okay, we have to maintain the depth and length. So it can be square, rectangle or circle, any shapes. It may be of any size depending upon the size of the buildings. Next, it may be generally constructed 1 to 2 meter wide and 2 to 3 meters depth. So it is an approximate depth and length which it is should be. The pits can be filled with boulders, gravels and coarse sand. So boulders means it will be of big size, okay. Then the gravels will be little less than the boulders, and the sand is what we use for construction on all those purposes. It will be very fine. So the water going through this process will be purified and left to the ground, so that the groundwater value will be increased and the groundwater will be good at all times. So we will not face any scarcity of water when the water is required. Put the boulders in the bottom, sand in the top and gravels in the middle. So the rainwater harvesting means the water from the rooftops or anywhere which is plain or something else, we have to leave that water inside the ground. So if there is no ground, okay, we are constructing buildings, temples, some other, all the on the empty ground. So there is no empty land nowadays. So if we prepare rainwater harvesting, the water will be left to the ground, so the water level will be increased. So water in the ponds, lakes will not dry and we will get more water during summer seasons as well. This is to stop the scarcity of water. So everyone has to follow this method at schools, colleges and at homes. Choose the correct answer. First one, water is the most dash resource on the earth. A, precious, B, solid, C, gas. So water is the most precious resource on earth. So precious. Second one, water exists in dash states. A, 2, B, 3, C, 4. So water exists in 3 states. Third one, at temperature below dash, water freezes to form ice. So option A, 10 degrees Celsius, B, 100 degrees Celsius, C, 0 degree Celsius. So the answer is at temperature below 0 degrees Celsius, water freezes to form ice. So 0 degree Celsius. Fourth one, dash is the process by which water becomes water vapor. So A, condensation, B, evaporation, C, freezing. So option B, evaporation. Fifth one, which controls the ecological functions of life? Option A, bicycle. Option B, water cycle. Option C, recycle water. So option B. So water cycle controls the ecological functions of life. Second Roman, fill in the blanks with suitable answers. First one, water is converted into dash when it is heated. So ice cube, water vapor. So water vapor. So water is converted into water vapor when it is heated. water vapor. Water becomes ice on dash, heating, freezing. So freezing. Third one, water droplets combines to form dash, rain, clouds. So water droplets combine to form clouds. Fourth one, water cycle increases the availability of dash, water tank, groundwater. So groundwater. Fifth one, dash is a type of rainwater harvesting. Rooftop harvesting, water cycle. Rooftop harvesting. Third Roman, write true or false. First one, water is a good example for all states of matter. So it is true. Second one, water cycle controls Earth's temperature. It's true. Third one, water becoming water vapor on heating is called evaporation. It's true. Fourth one, 37% of our brain's mass consists of water. True. Fifth one, rooftop harvesting method is used in agriculture field. This one is false. It is used in top of the buildings. Next, fourth Roman, answer briefly. First one, write the states of water. Answer, the three states of water are ice, water and water vapor. The three states of water are ice, water and water vapor. Second one, what is freezing? Freezing is a process in which water becomes ice at a temperature below 0 degree Celsius. Freezing is a process in which water becomes ice at a temperature below 0 degree Celsius. Third one, name the process involved in water cycle. Name the process involved in water cycle. The process involved in water cycle are evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Evaporation, EVAPORATION, evaporation. EVAPORATION, evaporation. Condensation, CONDENSATION, condensation. CONDENSATION, condensation. Third one, precipitation. PRECIPITATION, precipitation. PRECIPITATION, precipitation. The process involved in water cycle are evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Fourth one, which state government made rainwater harvesting as mandatory in the year 2001? Which state government made rainwater harvesting as mandatory in the year 2001? Tamil Nadu state government made rainwater harvesting as mandatory in the year 2001. So TAMILNADU is the Tamil Nadu spelling. Fifth one, what is needed to construct a rainwater harvesting pit? What is needed to construct a rainwater harvesting pit? Boulders, gravels and coarse sand is needed to construct a rainwater harvesting pit. Boulders, 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 boulders. Gravels, 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 gravels. Coarse sand, coarsc, sand, coarse sand, coarsc, coarse sand. Boulders, gravels and coarse sand is needed to construct a rainwater harvesting pit. Fifth Roman, answer in detail. First one, what is water cycle? Write any three importance of water cycle. What is water cycle? Write any three importance of water cycle. Water cycle, due to the sun's heat, water in the ocean and rivers changes into water vapor and rises up. Due to the sun's heat, water in oceans and rivers changes into water vapor and rises up. Water becoming water vapor on heating is called evaporation. Water becoming water vapor on heating is called evaporation. The water vapor, when comes into contact with cool air, becomes water droplet. The water vapor, when comes into contact with cool air, becomes water droplet. This is called condensation. This is called condensation. The water droplets combine to form clouds. The water droplets combine to form clouds. The water droplets continue to combine and they become big and heavy. The water droplets combine to form clouds. The water droplets continue to combine and they become big and heavy. These water droplets then fall down as rain. These water droplets then fall down as rain. This is called precipitation. This is called precipitation. In colder places, combined water droplets come down as snow, sleet or hail. In colder places, combined water droplets come down as snow, sleet or hail. The continuous change of water from one state to another in nature is called water cycle. The continuous change of water from one state to another in nature is called water cycle. So water cycle, due to the sun's heat, water in oceans and rivers changes into water vapor and rises up. Water becoming water vapor on heating is called evaporation. The water vapor, when comes into contact with cool air, becomes water droplet. This is called condensation. The water droplets combine to form clouds. The water droplets continue to combine and they become big and heavy. These water droplets then fall down as rain. This is called precipitation. In colder places, combined water droplets come down as snow, sleet or hail. The continuous change of water from one state to another in nature is called water cycle. Importance of water cycle: to improve the availability of groundwater. To improve the availability of groundwater. 2. To control the earth's temperature. 2. To control the earth's temperature. 3. To provide water to plants and animals, especially humans. To provide water to plants and animals, especially humans. Importance of water cycle: first one, to improve the availability of groundwater. 2. To control the earth's temperature. 3. To provide water to plants and animals, especially humans. Second one, what is rainwater harvesting? List out the advantages of rainwater harvesting. What is rainwater harvesting? List out the advantages of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting and storing rainwater for future use. Rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting and storing rainwater for future use. Rainwater can be collected in natural reservoirs or artificial tanks. Rainwater can be collected in natural reservoirs or artificial tanks. Rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting and storing rainwater for future use. Rainwater can be collected in natural reservoirs or artificial tanks. Advantages of rainwater harvesting. First one, it increases the groundwater level. It increases the groundwater level. Second one, it can be used for agriculture. It can be used for agriculture. Third one, it increases the availability of water for living things. It increases the availability of water for living things. Advantages of rainwater harvesting. First one, it increases the groundwater level. Second one, it can be used for agriculture. Third one, it increases the availability of water for living things. Thank you children. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.